What's cracking, guys? Today's gonna be a little different video. So as of today, Sunday, November 28th, today is the third day of the largest IKEA in the world being opening right here in Manila, Philippines. But the real story so far is Aicy being absolutely savage on this guy who cut in line in front of us in the parking garage. So it's getting real heated down here. It is what it is, but I'm trying to maintain a happy spirit here. But Aicy is an absolute savage. I'm proud of her. She went off on them. So anyways, on to IKEA. So Aicy's still upset about the guy that cut in line, but it's a part of life here in Philippines. You know, may God bless him more, as we say.
Them, because there's two cars.
Okay, but may God bless them more.
They didn't respect the guards. They already, like, there's 5 guards already asked them to go forward.
Oh, yeah.
But they didn't respect him. They still cut.
Anyway, enough about the parking drama. So the deal with IKEA is you need to make an appointment online. And I'm actually a big fan of this because when big things like this open in the Philippines, it's an absolute madhouse. So especially given the current circumstances, I think it works out well and should make for a better shopping experience, which is actually what IKEA is known for anyway. So here we are. May pila pa. Syempre, dito sa Pilipinas, pila is life. So we just entered, and of course, they're very clever, the Swedish. Start with the food. We have to get a whole trolley. We're gonna fill it up with food. 1 hour ang pila daw.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mom.
Oh, it's almost our turn, finally!
After 2 hours.
After how many years? Isang baked salmon.
One baked salmon.
Opo, tapos isang order ng plant balls.
For the plant balls, how many pieces?
12 pieces na lang. Oo. Tapos ang side ng veggie 2 pieces.
Okay, so I
Salamat na. Ano pa?
Flathead salmon with side.
Finally, salamat Lord. It's Chibog time after how many hours? Pero feeling ko worth it. So I got plant balls, ang variation ng traditional Swedish food, and some veggie, like veggie cakes. And para kay Aicy, my baked salmon.
I'm just saying.
Sarap ha? So I literally feel like IKEA could just stop selling furniture and just sell Swedish food, and they're still gonna make a killing, no problem. Oh, ang pinaka-importante, choco cake. Nothing gets you in the mood for shopping like choco cake. So malamig daw ang aircon dito para sa full Swedish experience, no?
Sobrang lamig. Nasa Swedish tayo.
Sabi ni Aicy, "Oy, we're in the Philippines, hindi Sweden dito." Aircon is life sa mall, no? Alright, so for those of you who aren't familiar, when you first walk in, there's like a showroom where it shows like a bunch of different looks. And if you like something, you take a picture of it and it shows where you can pick it up downstairs. Self-serve na lang. Ganda ka, bro.
The girl.
Mirror, mirror sa bongbong. Sino ang pinakamaganda sa mundo? Ang Filipino version. Excuse me, ma'am. Bawal tambay dito.
Bawal bang lamig kasi?
That's why this is a fun date spot. You can have a lot of fun in the model rooms here. So far our bag's still empty, but a lot of good ideas. All right, so we finally made it to the end, to the self-serve checkout section. Icy's super tired, ready to go, so we're gonna try to make this quick na lang. Alright, so finally tapos na, bili na, we checked out. We got a super long floating shelf. I got a little metal industrial style rack para sa oficina ko. We got some pegboards, some minor churba. Yeah, yan lang. We really need like a new wardrobe dresser for our room, but grabe, sobrang mahal, so we're gonna have to ponder on that for a little bit. So babe, how was your first IKEA experience?
Oh, I'm so tired. Like, I don't like walking. I don't like walking. Like, nakakapagod.
So what she's trying to say is she loved it. It blew her mind. It was amazing. It was the best thing ever. Alright, so final thoughts from me about IKEA Philippines, IKEA Manila. I thought it was really cool, like they preserved the IKEA experience. It feels a lot like all the other times I've been to IKEA in California and beyond. And yeah, I mean, it's a pretty good value, but in fact, I'm not sure if this is a net positive for Philippines, because like a lot of the furniture and stuff like that, you can find like solid hardwood handcrafted furniture of a higher quality for actually a lower price that directly supports Filipinos. But syempre, this is like a foreign thing. It's a well-known global brand, so Filipinos are gonna love it. What do you think? You like the style of IKEA?
Yeah, I like the style, like very light. Like the things are light, and I know, like the style, the designs are nice.
Oh, parang modern Scandinavian
modern,
design, clean lines.
Clean, yeah.
Yeah. The only thing I really don't like, and this is a small point. Meron po, sige, salamat po. So what I just had to show. So you have to pay for parking, like. Like, I get it.
They didn't pay.
Yeah, so case in point, this guy didn't pay. So I get it, it's Manila, it's Philippines, parking is at a premium. And it was only 60 pesos, but I just don't like the practice overall. Like, you spend so much money in this place and then you gotta like pay for parking too. So that's the only thing I don't like. What do I do with this one? Ah, you scan it.
Yeah.
Ah, ganyan.
Oh, diba?
Ah, okay, so you scan the parking ticket to get out. So actually that's pretty cool. Parang high tech.
Yeah.
Okay, so sorry if I'm taking forever to make my point, but if you've ever driven in Manila, it's hard to drive, think, and talk at the same time. It's hard to drive and exist and not lose your mind. So with that, I'm gonna concentrate on getting home safely. I wish you all a blessed day. Make your appointment to go shop at IKEA. Iyon.